Hi fellow viewers, I am Mr. Steve Ong of Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. This will be my first actual video, which is my personal account in YouTube in the Philippines, of course. Then actually, of all the videos that I have seen in the other people, so this time I'll try my best what other videos that is trending in social media. So this will be fun, excitement, thrilling, and this is very excitement. This is the of all the tools experiences. So this will be my first video in YouTube. By the way, this video is uploaded, dated March 6, 2024. That is Wednesday. Thank you so much for listening. Good afternoon.